In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay Live Chat for customer support. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or just getting started, reaching out to eBay support can significantly enhance your online shopping experience. Following these steps will help you navigate to the live chat feature smoothly. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and enter eBay into the search bar. You want to locate eBay's homepage, so once you see the search results, click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to eBay's official website. Once the homepage has loaded, look to the upper left corner of your screen and find the Sign In button. Give it a click. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your username and password. Don't have an account yet? Now might be a good time to create one, though today's video assumes you're already a registered user. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see options like My eBay and Daily Deals. You'll want to click on the Help and Contact link. This link is your gateway to accessing eBay's various support functions, including live chat. On the Help and Contact page, look around for the Contact Us button. Clicking this will open a more detailed menu where you can communicate your specific concerns or questions. Now, you need to specify the nature of your inquiry. You'll see a section to choose your concern, such as issues about your account, an item you've purchased, or perhaps a selling question. Picking the right category is essential because it helps the automated assistant or any eBay representatives who might join the chat better understand how to assist you. Once you've identified your concern, it's time to choose a more specific topic related to your question. Doing so sets the stage for a more efficient and effective chat session. Let's say you're having trouble with an order, select that particular topic to tailor the support experience. After you've selected your topic, scroll until you find the option to chat with our automated assistant. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate a dialog screen where you can begin typing your questions or describe your issues. Type in the concern you have, whether it's a tracking issue, refund request, or account assistance. Be as detailed as possible. The more specific you are, the better the automated assistant can help you find solutions or escalate the issue to a human agent if necessary. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access eBay's customer support using their live chat feature. Remember, being clear and concise in your communication can make the entire process faster and more effective. Thank you for watching and happy eBaying.